In the midst of the Cold War, the Soviet Union turned its attention not only to rockets and probes, but to a permanent foothold on the Moon. The 1965 Zvezda Lunar Base, drafted by engineers at the Moscow Institute of Space Design, embodied an ambitious synthesis of form, function, and aesthetic that still feels strikingly contemporary. Form, Zvezda was conceived as a twin-cylindrical habitat, each 30 meters in length, connected by a central hub that housed communal spaces and the docking bay. The cylinders would rotate around a common axis at 2 revolutions per minute, generating roughly 1 g of artificial gravity on the inner walls. External solar arrays unfurled like metallic flowers, while modular prefabricated pods could be added for scientific labs, habitation quarters, or agricultural bays. The overall silhouette, a sleek, elongated barrel with a pronounced ribbing pattern, hinted at both structural rigidity and the Soviet love of geometric clarity. Function, the rotating core supplied gravity, solving many of the physiological problems associated with prolonged microgravity. Life support systems were stacked beneath the floor, water reclamation, CO2 scrubbers, and a closed-loop hydroponic greenhouse that used filtered lunar regolith as a growth medium. Docking ports at either cylinder end allowed Soyuzel lunar landers to berth directly, while a retractable gantry-facilitated EVA sorties. Radiators on the outer skin expelled excess heat, and the exterior was clad in a thin layer of basalt-derived composite, designed to absorb micrometeorite impacts while reflecting solar glare. Aesthetic, the visual language of Zvezda is unmistakably Soviet. Its renderings were executed in crisp blue ink line work over stark white vellum, punctuated by vivid red annotations that highlighted structural stress points. The emphasis on industrial honesty, visible bolts, exposed trusses, and the raw texture of the composite shell, gave the design a rugged grandeur. Between the order of the drafting board and the dream of scrolling through a lunar sunrise, Zvezda projected an aura of pragmatic optimism. It was a machine for humanity, not a decorative sculpture. Although the project never left the drawing table, Zvezda remains a powerful reminder of a path not taken, a vision where stone-laden horizons and rotating habitats blended into a new chapter of human settlement on the Moon.